And you have one lifeline left at this point. Jump the question. Are you ready to play? I'm ready. Audience, are you ready? Let's play Millionaire. Good luck, Lizzie. All right. Long extinct, the aptly named Leviathan melvelli is an ancient species of what? Tortoise, elephant, beetle, whale.
I took 4 years of Latin and we studied a lot of those ancient creatures. And I think it's D, a whale. So I think it's a water creature. But you want to make that your final?
No,
Yes. Yeah.
Final?
D, final answer.
Absolutely right. Named after the Bible's sea monster Leviathan and Herman Melville, author of Moby Dick. There you go.
All right.
That was good. See those boots? I'm telling you, they work.
Boots, man.
Let's see how much money's behind this question. $7,000. That brings the bank up to $34,000. Switching parties is the category. What Republican president famously said, "I didn't leave the Democratic Party. The party left me"? Dwight Eisenhower, Ronald Reagan, Harry Truman, Theodore Roosevelt.
I feel like this is one that you know or you don't, and I don't think I know it, so I'm going to play it safe and jump the question.
Don't jump the question. Okay, question is out of play. It's okay. Let's see the correct answer. I remember this well. It was Ronald Reagan.
He was president when I was born, so I don't have
Don't rub it in now. Don't rub it in. Okay. It's okay. All right. Listen, kiddo. This question could be worth as much as $25,000 or as little as $100. You've got the lucky boots on. Hopefully they'll work for you. Or you get the boot. Let's see. $3,000.